I'm Jim Chauhan and I'm in the ESTC department. I'm in KJ Soma Institute of Engineering and IT, Sion College, and I'm now preparing for the IELTS and GRE, and I'm thinking of taking the masters in the MEM course and building it like now. Yeah. I remember in the second year, like in the third semester, we had a seminar that there's some career guidance and all by Byju's Career Lab. So I thought let's go and attend that session. So everyone got into the classroom and so started like what do you think about your career and all. And he said his own story, how he made his career and all. He was working with so many companies and all. So he asked you also you can also do that, you can join the masters and we can take the GRE and IELTS and make up a career. So few of them friends we were yeah, let's see, there was another session, those who are interested can join that further session also. So we thought let's join that and see what we can do more on it. So we joined, we gone to that. I think Mayur sir was there. He said that he gave more details on the preparation, how the documents will be done and how the process is going to take place. And he said that he gave a card, so the address and all was mentioned. So I thought let's go and meet. So I also gone to that office in Mumbai and met him and joined. My main focus on what what I'm doing is right or not. I was focused to MEM and MIM course. So finally I gave that tests and all, and it was you can go in, you're not totally in management, so you think about both. So I took MEM course. So she was you have to work hard and all, gain that marks and all. GRE, you don't think about just 300 and all. You have to crack 330 and more. So I said that yeah, okay. And she also gave which countries you can take upon and how the admissions will be taking place. Your profile will be very strong and all. So and other also, she was I have more she has the experience, ma'am has the experience, and ma'am said that I have gone through many colleges and you think more about US and all. So I think yeah, I took the social media marketing one, digital marketing course, then Python course, and it was starter course, so there was not much not course topics were taught, but it gave that you can take that advanced also in that. So I'm very much interested in Python coding, and so I think that's why I took that course, data science using Python, I guess. Yeah, from that Skyfi Labs, I think they also gave me that course. And digital marketing, I thought I want to do more on management side, so I thought that I'll leave it. The course was knowledgeable because it gave that every particular the graphs and all, we can almost predict how the graph will now flow ahead, or if we are taking a company in consideration and working upon it on the data science and all. So we can also predict how the performance will go in the future and all. So I thought that aspect is very good. And I thought I'm also working on the share market and all. I'm learning share market. So I thought that would be very useful. We can use that how the company or the shares will grow up or go down, that we can use. So I think that data science is very much needed in the future and all. Yeah, I am attending every focus of the month webinars because it gives us the latest update and latest trends, how the application process is going to take place. And ma'am is also focusing upon how now what will be your further actions, what will you do next, what should be completed in the next few months, and how to apply. So I attend every focus of the month webinars because if there are any changes, we get to know how the new online GREs are going to take place. I knew that, but after attending the focus of the month, I thought that yeah, very useful. But online GR is not very tough. That if the net goes, then out of the exam. So I think yeah, I'm attending on the focus of the month, and I also attend in the last one also. Ma'am also updates about the new college intakes and the for intake in the September, December. Yeah. So it keeps us updated. The queries were almost solved on the mail only. There was no use of the call and all. Sai Kiran sir was always ready to clear the doubts on the Telegram. Like if some student just put some screenshots of the sums and all, the sir was particularly just completed the doubts in just a few minutes and also. And Arpita ma'am was very helpful, I had some difficulties between taking the related to the data science course and all, and it was very working very smoothly because of the faculty and all. They should start in the first year only, because if they are very focused and very confident that they want to do masters in abroad and they want to particularly do MEM or MI, I think first year is the best time, because we have to do internships, we have to build projects, research papers and also you can't do it from the second year. I am facing the problem because till now I am not getting an internship, and also I have joined, I have not still made a research paper. So first year is the best time. That a seminar in our college was also in the starting of the second year, but till the joining process was done, I was in the sem 4, in the second year's second half. So I thought if I would have taken it from the first year, it would be very easy, because I have done many internships and all. My profile would be superb. I was just very chilled and all, because I have done everything. I have to just apply. So first year is the best time, I think.